This video is brought to you by Placentia Super Service, your friendlier and more helpful AAA vehicle repair shop in Orange County. There are several important reasons why you should get your European or domestic vehicle serviced regularly with Placentia Super Service. Here are a few. Safety. One of the most important reasons to get your vehicle serviced is to ensure your safety on the road. Regular maintenance can help identify potential safety issues before they become major problems. For example, worn brakes or tires can significantly increase the risk of an accident. Reliability. Regular vehicle servicing can help prevent breakdowns and ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly. By addressing minor issues before they become major problems, you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and repairs. Durability. Regular servicing can also help extend the lifespan of your vehicle. By replacing worn parts and maintaining the engine, you can ensure that your vehicle lasts longer and performs better over time. Resale value. If you plan to sell your vehicle in the future, regular servicing can help maintain its value. A well-maintained vehicle is generally worth more than one that has been neglected. Overall, getting your vehicle serviced regularly is an important part of vehicle ownership. It can help ensure your safety, reliability, and durability, and even increase the resale value of your vehicle. Call our Placentia Super Service advisors today at 714-984-0948 and schedule a vehicle inspection for your European or domestic vehicle. Or you can visit our website www.placentiasuperservice.com and schedule an online vehicle service appointment. We make it easy to do business with us at Placentia Super Service.